All right, guys, another beautiful evening and afternoon here at Lake Norman, North Carolina. I'm going to fly for the first time ever an Autel Evo 2 Pro. This is my very first time, so I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures because the sunset is gorgeous. Maybe you guys can see that on the background. The sunset is gorgeous, and I'm going to try to also get some video. I currently do not have any ND filters, and also I want to put everything on auto, so whatever you guys see is coming out straight from the drone without any editing whatsoever. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the drone. Okay, so it is just about 5 p.m. The sun sets about 5:20. So let's go ahead and get this going. All right. And once again, I have gone into the app before you fly, and I have obtained all the permissions required. Let's go ahead and go up. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So, as you guys know, I have the Mavic 3, and this drone is very, very similar to the Mavic 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and see right here. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Let's turn it, let's turn it, turn it. Let's go ahead and turn it. Look at that, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and take flight. Ready, set, go.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings down. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. 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 We're pulling.
Alright guys, I just got done flying the Autel Evo 2 Pro. First impressions. The drone flight's amazing. Everything works so great. I have no idea how the pictures are gonna look. I haven't looked at them yet on the computer. I took some pictures, I took a little bit of a video. It got dark pretty quick, so I had to bring the drone in as soon as possible. Keep in mind you can't be flying at nighttime, and the impressions so far are just amazing. Being that said, we get into this name brand thing, the DJI and the Autel. I think we have to give an opportunity to the other companies. I think Autel Evo or the Autel Robotics, I believe they have made an amazing product, and I wish we can give them more of a opportunity to create some competition here. So myself, I'm guilty of this because for the past 4 years, I have only owned DJI, and I bought the Autel Evo Pro 6K, and the reason I did that is because I wanted to see the difference between the top drones on both companies. I think I'm blessed to be able to afford both of them. It's still, I think we should give them an opportunity, and I'm going to keep exploring the products and from both companies to see how they compare, and maybe eventually I could go ahead and move on to the Autel Evo, since at this point they seem to be a little bit more affordable. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Once again, I have no idea how the pictures are gonna look or how the video is going to look. So I'm going to keep playing with it, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you in the next one. And one thing, happy Thanksgiving if you are in the United States, and I wish you the best. Thank you.